Katie dreams of being a world champion skater.
Birthday's coming, we could get a figure skater.
But things haven't gone her way. Until she encounters someone very special. A reindeer named Blizzard.
Blizzard loved to fly.
Come on, give me some space. Oh, watch out! You watch my.
Now, Blizzard is going to help one little girl to spread the true meaning of Christmas.
I told you to stay away. This place is for skaters.
You love skating, and you can't let anyone stop you from doing it.
If you ever believed that reindeer can fly,
You ready?
that miracles do happen,
Aaron, don't be afraid. Give me your hand. We'll pull you out.
that there really is a Santa Claus,
There is no higher expression of the Christmas spirit than the giving of oneself.
then you will believe
Blizzard helped change everything. She showed me that I didn't have to be alone anymore.
in Blizzard. Overseas Film Group presents the story of a holiday miracle